You know that when we Israeli diplomats go abroad, we serve in different countries. It is important to have a Jewish community that is supportive. And when I'm here in Canada and I see this amazing community of Toronto, it's overwhelming. I'm overwhelmed by your love. I'm overwhelmed by your... We're celebrating this year 50 years of the walk with Israel, in addition to 70 years of excellent diplomatic relations between Israel and Canada. And right behind me are so many elected officials, members of parliament, members of provincial parliaments, city councillors, and they're here to show support of the state of Israel and support of our bilateral ties. And this is really heartwarming, this is overwhelming. Here on the stage with me are 4 mayors from Israel, and it's important for me to mention them. I'm going to embarrass them in public now. Mayor of Bat Yam. Get up. Mayor of Eilot Regional Council. Mayor of Sderot. And Mayor of Eilat, who is sitting right there. There they are. I want to tell you something, mayors. This community is one of the most amazing communities in the world. This community volunteers, supports, donates, travels to Israel, sends kids to Israel with Birthright, Taglit, with other programs, on March of the Living. So many programs are supported by this community. Members of this community travel to Israel and volunteer in your cities. I don't have to tell you about that. You know this better than I do. And these are the people. These are the people who support Israel. These are the people who support Israel-diaspora relations. I couldn't thank you enough, to each and every one of you, for your love and for your support. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of the state of Israel.
Sophia. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The walk is officially started. We will see you all at the end of the walk of the Bathurst Street Festival.
luck. I hope to hear good things, okay? Bye-bye.
One of the biggest street parties to ever happen. We shut down back.